Hi, welcome to Dinner with Alina. We're in December now, and I'm dedicating this month to traditional Russian New Year dinner food. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a special Russian New Year salad with a bit of a strange name, but when we make it, you will understand it. The dish is called herring under fur coat, and these are all the ingredients needed for it. First, I'm going to prepare all my ingredients for the salad by boiling them until they're fully cooked. When you can pierce through your vegetables with a knife, it means they're ready. Take them out and leave to cool. They should be room temperature when you make the salad. After your veggies cool down completely, peel them. We're almost done with our preparation. Now we only need to cut the veggies into small pieces. We can either use a grater, and this is the usual way we do it in our kitchens. A bit fancier way they do in restaurants is dicing, and that is what I'm going to try today. All the vegetables except for onion are boiled here, and fresh onion gives a bit of sharpness to the salad. However, if you don't like the sharpness, you can rinse the onion with boiling water to give it a milder taste. I'm trying to do really small pieces because that's how the salad will be more tender. And now it's time to deal with the herring. I have raw salt cured fillet. Make sure you buy salt cured fish, not smoked or hot smoked or anything like this. Raw salt cured fillet. And this is a ready fillet. I can proceed with cutting it into small pieces. If you bought the whole salt cured fish, make sure to clean it first and get rid of all the bones. Normally, we would serve the salad on a plate like this. We would cover the whole plate with layers of the salad. But today, for the sake of the video, I wanted to do something nice, and I'm going to serve it in the glass mug. And here is how we proceed from here. One layer of herring covered with onions and then with mayonnaise. Then come other layers, a layer of vegetables, a layer of mayo, a layer of vegetables, a layer of mayo. And the last layer would be beetroot covered with a good portion of mayo. You would have noticed that I'm using quite a lot of mayo for this dish. Feel free to mix it with yogurt or sour cream to make it a bit lighter. When you're done, put the plate in the fridge overnight or at least for several hours for the ingredients to soak in the mayo and to give juices. In the meantime, I'm going to boil an egg. We will use it as a decoration. Crush the yolk and decorate the top before serving. Your salad is ready. This dish may look very strange for foreigners, and indeed, sometimes you can find it in the lists of weirdest Russian foods on websites like BuzzFeed. But if you try it, you will definitely like the combination of gentle and tender, slightly sweet taste of beetroot, carrot, and potato with sharpness of onion and saltiness of herring. You may be surprised that I'm calling this dish a salad. And yes, in Russia we have a wider understanding of the word salad. For us, it's not only something that is made of vegetables, of fresh vegetables with green leaves. It's also something that is made with boiled vegetables, something that is cut in small, cubes and put together and dressed with mayo. And we like salads like this for celebrations. They are quite heavy, they're quite filling, they're full with mayo. But generally, our cuisine, our food is not like this. So I guess we just let ourselves go during celebrations. And this dish history is not very well clear. There were some legends, but they like that this dish was invented by some restaurateur at the beginning of the 20th century to keep his rowdy customers, full and not that drunk. But that's just a legend. The history of the dish is kind of recent. It appeared in the 20th century, in the Soviet times, in the 1970s, and it was apparently invented by some unknown lady in her kitchen, and then it spread throughout the whole Russia. Now we're eating this dish. It's very traditional for the past 30 years to have this dish at every table during the new year. And yeah, I hope you will get to know and to like this dish. I really encourage you to try it and to make it. And if you like it, please leave me a comment below, subscribe to stay tuned for more. Next time, I'm also going to show you another iconic Russian New Year recipe that is also kind of known around the world, but maybe in a different variations, in a wrong variations, not the way we actually eat it. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Enjoy your meal, and from Russia with Food, Alina.